Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and my channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. And if you like any of those things, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, or luxury, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I upload twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays, and sometimes I will put out a bonus video. If you've been to my channel before, as you can tell, my voice is a little bit hoarse. I am under the weather, but I promised myself and I promised you to upload twice a week, and that's what I'm going to do. So excuse my voice. I've got some drainage going on and and that's what's going on. In one of my previous vlogs, I shared with you that I had purchased a couple of perfumes. One of the perfumes did not wear well with my chemistry, and that's the Initio, I don't know, addictively ecstatic. Now, it's a great scent. Great scent if your chemistry can hold on to it. Mine did not. I could spray, and it would just disappear. It would just do a disappearing act. For the price of the Initio, which I think was $3.20 or something like that, around that price, I didn't think that I should keep it. And also one of my subscribers, Keish, she said to return it. So yesterday I did go and return it, and I returned another perfume too. So, which brings me to this quick small luxury haul. Now, before I get into the quick small luxury haul, comment below. When you go and return something, do you also buy something because you like, well, since I returned this and that, I should be able to buy something else, right? That's what I was thinking, and that's what I did. So I returned two of the perfumes, and I just wandered over to the Chanel boutique inside of Neiman Marcus, and I found me something. So this is going to be a quick small luxury haul. So as I stated, I returned a couple of items. I wandered over to the Chanel boutique. I feel like I got here. Okay. I wandered over to the Chanel boutique. They did not have a line. This is the first time that I was in the Neiman Marcus Chanel boutique in Beverly Hills. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. It is so much better than the Chanel in Neiman Marcus in Newport Beach. Oh my gosh. Anyway, let me quick small luxury haul. Here is the bag, Chanel bag, Chanel ribbon, you know. And then inside is this beautiful little box. Honestly, I wish it was a larger box, but with their prices, yeah, maybe not. Comes with the camellia, the ribbon that has Chanel stamped all over it. I am breathing through my nose. Okay, let's get to this unboxing. I need to start doing reels. And then here is the box. And then inside, oh my goodness. Hello, let me throw everything to one side. Okay, so here is these beautiful earrings. It's a very petite, small S chain, about an inch long, and then it goes down to a pearl, diamantes, and then the little perfume bottle, Chanel No. 5 perfume bottle. So I just love it, love it, love it. You see the little dangly double C's? I love it. This is gold tone jewelry. It is gold plated. It is costume jewelry. And then we have the diamantes, and then we have the pearl, more diamantes or strass. I don't know what you call it. I think Chanel calls them strass. So let's go with what Chanel calls it. So we have the gold tone metal, we have the strass, we have the pearl, we have the strass again, the pearl, the strass, and then the number 5 that is encrusted with more strass. Then we have a little dangly little chain, with double C's. Sorry, I'm so sorry, I'm so congested. And that is it. I think they are gorgeous. I think they're gorgeous. Comment below if you like these type of earrings. They do dangle. Would you buy them? Comment below if you like dangly earrings. Are you more of a hoop person? So yeah, I thought this was very unique because it has the Chanel number 5 perfume bottle, and of course the Chanel house is known for their perfume, which is Chanel number 5. So yeah, let's get into the price. Where is the price? Okay, I don't know where the price is. The price could be in my car somewhere, but I believe these were $1,000 plus tax, $1,095. And of course, LA has higher tax than Newport Beach area. So I thought these were cute. Let me slip them on for you because these are so gorgeous. They're gorgeous. They're unique. Look at that. Look at it. I love it. Comment below if you like them. Never mind my little clip. Comment below if you like them. Let me know. Would you buy something like this? Would you buy the little dangly? I love me some drop earrings. If they drop and dangle, yes. Or even if they just drop. They don't have to dangle. Well, if they drop, they're gonna dangle, right? So I love me some drop earrings that dangles. So comment below, what's your favorite type of earring? Is it drop earrings? Is it hoops? Or is it studs? Let me know. Let me know what you think about these. I think they are cute. Yes. So now these earrings are very lightweight. I absolutely love lightweight earrings. I cannot wear heavy earrings in my ear. I have returned some Chanel earrings because they were very, very weighty and they just hurt my ears. Some people, they actually can wear heavy earrings. Comment below if that's you. I applaud you. Oh my goodness, I applaud you. But I cannot. Now, the last thing that I want to share with you about Chanel earrings, make sure you buy a very secure clasp for your backing, because the backing that comes with the Chanel earrings will slip off. But I have lost 2 pair of earrings due to the fact that the backs that come with the Chanel earrings slip off. So make sure, probably check on Amazon, look for something, give it a tighter fit. They can be pricey and you just don't want them to fall off your ear and you don't know it, and then you are missing 1 earring. So you have 1 earring and 1 lost earring. That's not good. That's not good at all. Quick, small luxury haul. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Ciao, ciao. Arrivederci.